I did a move out inspection this morning, and the tenants had vacated the property, and we're going in to do our final move out inspection to see if any charges can be made against the security deposit. And tenants left the property really in bad condition. So the one thing I want to speak about though is this: they had never changed the furnace filter, so pulled the filter out and it was completely black. There was we actually send tenants replacement filters. My property management company proactively, they're required to change the filters. Each filter actually has a date on it, so we know if it hasn't been changed or not. You could actually see the brand new comes white filter that was unused next to the pitch black filter that I took out. So how do you charge for this? Because here's the problem. So if you don't change a furnace filter for a long period of time, that will put undue stress and strain on the HVAC system, which is a very expensive system, obviously. It's also going to get dust into the ductwork. It's also going to get dust throughout the property, and you can hire a cleaning company to come and clean the property, but I mean, that dust is just blowing everywhere. So what we're talking about here is liquidated damages, and it's kind of difficult for once the tenants move out to come in and go, oh wow, you guys are jerks, you should have changed this filter, what's wrong with you people? I'm just going to give you a big old charge for that. So I would probably steer away from that. Instead, I would make sure you have it in your lease a preset amount. That's what we do with our property management company. We have a preset amount that we're going to charge you if the furnace filter has apparently not been cleaned. That way it's just clear and it's cut and dry, and it's just a sizable charge. I can't discuss fees with you because it's against fair trade laws, but it's not a small fee. It's not an astronomical fee. It is a reasonable fee. It is a realistic fee, but it is somewhat punitive of a fee, and it is designed to compensate the property owner, the landlord. They deserve to be compensated for the damage done to their rental property, and it's designed to actually kind of compensate the owner a reasonable amount for that. So make sure you have in your lease some type of verbiage that's basically stating that if the furnace filter does not get changed, and define that regularly every 3 months, however often you would want it to be changed, they will be getting a charge for that. So if you're ever in the property and you happen to be doing a normal inspection and tenants are still in the property and still going to be in the property, and you actually see they're not changing the furnace filter, that would be a charge. You're going to go ahead and charge them. Obviously at move out, same thing. You're going to go and see it then. You're going to charge them. All right? As usual, I'm doing my best to answer your rental property investing questions. Happy investing.